Okay, let's continue with our website. In this video, we are going to see how to create the CSS document to put colors to our website. The first thing that we are going to do is to create a document with the name style CSS. Where is this document? This document is exactly in the same place where we have the lyrics, in my folder 1C. So the first one is lyrics HTML, and now our new document is style CSS. Inside the CSS, we are going to start to explain what we are going to do exactly that we did in our HTML document. But in the CSS, remember that in CSS is with these symbols. In style is slash asterisk to start and asterisk slash to finish. Remember that this doesn't exist. Okay, now we are going to do a background color. To do a background color, we are going to type this. In this case, we are going to change the background or the color of the background of our lyrics. To do that, you have to type this inside the CSS. Then you are going to save, and then you go to lyrics, and inside lyrics you have to add something in this place, because we need to connect this body that is in the CSS with this. The idea is to put an identification word. In this case, we are going to put songs. Why songs? Because in style I put songs too. In this place is with an ID, and in this place is with a hashtag. Now, in this place I can change the color. I'm going to let this one. Let's see what happened. Look, the background now is black. This is the color black. But what happened with the lyric? Disappeared because our text is black too. So now the idea is to do or to change the color of the letter. Okay, so let's continue. Now we are going to put an identification or a code to replace or to change the color of our first lyric. Remember that the name of my song is Sunflower. So in that case, I'm going to say go to find every P of the sunflower. Sunflower 1 is because it's the first lyric that I have. And I'm going to change the color. I'm going to put this color. I'm going to change the size of the letter. I'm going to change the font face, the type of the letter. And for the title, I'm going to put a shadow. So the idea is to change the first title of my first song. If I want to explain this, I can put these explanations in front, and I can put that this is the color. Okay, so let's see what happened with this. Now I need to save, but now I need to explain that this is part of the title. To do that, I'm going to find the title. This is the title. And I'm going to explain that has a connection with the CSS. P class SF1. That's the name that I put. Of course, that if I open a P, I have to close a P. Save, reload. So now I change the title. Width is bigger because I changed the font size. It's another type of letter and has a shadow, a white shadow. Okay, now let's do it with the lyrics. To the lyrics, go to the style CSS and explain that I'm going to change the lyric or the lyric 1. Remember that you have 3, and I can put lyric 1. Change every P inside the lyric 1. I want this color, I want this size, and I want this type of letter. To explain to the computer, I need to add this inside this. So I need to explain that this is going to be the lyric 1. Lyric 1. Save, reload, and we are going to see the first paragraph, this paragraph. So how can I do to appear all the paragraphs? So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to replace this piece. Save and reload. Of course that you have to do the same in the other lyrics, but the other lyrics is not going to be lyric 1, it's going to be lyric 2. To do the second one, you can copy this. In this one you put 2, and of course that you have to change the color, the size, and the type. And in this place, in your second lyric that is in this place, you have to put lyric 2 in every sentence. And of course that is the same when you are going to do the lyric 3. So the idea when you finish is to have 3 lyrics. Remember that the other lyrics has a title too. So if you copy this one, in this place is to put it in your title 2. Title 2, lyric 2. And for the lyric 3, copy paste title 3, lyric 3. So when you finish, you are going to have something like this: shadow, title, lyric, different shadows, different colors, different types, with another color in the second one, different shadows, different types in the third one. Thank you.